Hello, friend. As I began my hike around Bell Rock today, a poem began to come to me, so I found a spot to sit down and write it, and it is called Hope Rings, and this is from Bell Rock, Sedona, Arizona. Hope rings out loud and clear, pining for our attention, praying we draw her near. Hope rings for you and me to see. Hope rings and beckons us to allow her in and help make ready ourselves for a birthing of a new and better humanity. Hope breathes out profundity, enlivening us with earth's majesty. Hope rings out, calling clearly day and night, praying we might be willing and able to receive her insight. Hope rings out for all to see. Hope rings calling again and again to you and to me. Hope rings today on this day of transgender visibility. Hope rings out through you and through me to stand up and be all that love requires of us to be for all those whose speech has been suppressed, the misunderstood, the marginalized, those who just want freedom and dignity. Hope rings out asking us to embody her, the needed holy light, the needed one to move us forward and to live together truly as one human family in beautiful diversity. Hope needs us now to claim our part, share in her energy, make way and shine forth, and move forward to preserve our democracy. Hope rings, calling to you and me to embody the spirituality, the patience, the motivation and action, so that in us, hope's ring will grow us toward a world where hope is palpable, alive, and a light readily for all space and time, for all eternity. Hope rings out to you, beloved soul, for she sees you and knows your need. Hope rings and she rings. Will we allow ourselves to see, receive, and embody this beloved reality?